Hey there, architecture enthusiasts! Welcome back to Design Alphabet, your go-to channel for all things design and architecture. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of architecture, a field that goes far beyond just constructing buildings. Today's letter is A. According to the dictionary, the word architecture is a noun and is defined as the art or practice of designing and constructing buildings. In this episode, we are exploring the word architecture and its definition. At its core, architecture is the art and science of designing and constructing buildings and other physical structures. But it's much more than just creating spaces. It's about shaping environments that are functional, beautiful, and meaningful. So, what exactly is architecture? Let's break it down and explore its many facets. At its core, architecture is the art and science of designing and constructing buildings and other physical structures. But it's so much more than that. It's about creating spaces that are functional, aesthetically pleasing and sustainable. Architects consider a multitude of factors from the environment to the needs of the people who will use the space. It's the art and science of creating spaces where we live, work, and play. These spaces are designed to improve our quality of life and foster a sense of community. It's a blend of creativity and technical knowledge that transforms ideas into tangible structures. Architects use their skills to bring visions to life, ensuring that every detail is meticulously planned and executed. First up, let's talk about residential architecture. Think about your home. Every room, every window placement, and every little detail was carefully planned by an architect. They consider things like functionality, aesthetics, and the environment to create a space that's both beautiful and practical. Residential architects design homes that are comfortable, efficient, and tailored to the needs of the occupants. They think about how the home will be used, how it fits into its surroundings, and how it can be a sanctuary for those who live there. It's about creating a space that feels like home. Next, we have commercial architecture. Imagine walking into a sleek, modern office building or a bustling shopping mall. An architect designed those spaces to be efficient and attractive, balancing the needs of businesses and customers. Commercial architects create environments that are conducive to productivity and commerce. They think about how people move through the space, how light enters the building, and even how the structure impacts the surrounding area. It's about creating spaces that are not only functional, but also inspiring. Lastly, there's landscape architecture. This isn't just about buildings. It's about designing outdoor spaces too. Think of parks, gardens, and public plazas. Landscape architects create environments that are not only visually stunning but also sustainable and functional. They work with natural elements like plants, water, and terrain to create spaces where people can relax and connect with nature. Think of parks, gardens, and public plazas. These spaces are designed to be enjoyed by the community, providing a place for recreation and relaxation. Landscape architects create environments that are not only visually stunning, but also sustainable and functional. They work with natural elements like plants, water, and terrain to create spaces where people can relax and connect with nature. They consider how these spaces will be used, how they can support local ecosystems, and how they can be maintained over time. It's about creating a harmonious balance between the built environment and the natural world. So, in essence, architecture is all about improving our quality of life through thoughtful design. Architects are the masterminds behind the spaces that shape our daily experiences. They use their creativity and technical skills to create environments that are functional, beautiful, and sustainable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our Design Alphabet community. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the fascinating world of design, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us here at Design Alphabet for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next episode.